Hello guys, this is Umesh Mai. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to use a PV-led software to generate a U1 form, which is nothing but manufacturer data report, or in short we say it as a MDR. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. So guys, what you have to do is just navigate to the Tools tab, just click on U1 form information for this vessel. Here you have to fill all the data you have, say like manufacturer and certified by, manufacturer for, location of installation, all those data, type of tank, type continuous tank. So all those data you have to fill here and just say OK. Once say OK, then you have to run the PV Lite software. Then here you will see the option that ASME form. Then just do enable content, and from here you can just click on import a latest result. So here you can see the, all the data have been filled here. See, here's the diameter, length, material specification, thickness, all the data you have got automatically. So hope guys you got some value from this video. So please keep supporting and please share my videos to your friends. Thank you.